So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do the union part of the flag. You could see me taking off the blue tape from the union. I mask off the union, then I spray all the stripes, so when I stain it, the bleed over from the staining is very minimal. And even if it does, I can just easily scrape it off. That you could see later in this video how I do that. So basically I mask off the opposite now. I mask off the stripes after the finish dried with this blue masking tape, and I'm only doing the edges on two sides, and it has to be very precise on the edge of the stripe and where the union meets. And I do it on the long side, you could see here, and I'll be doing it on the short side. And once this is done, you have to make sure you really press the tape down, because sometimes it comes up because the flag has waves in it. So you want to make sure that you don't stretch the tape too much so it lifts off the actual wood. And then I'll mask it off further with some plastic. You can buy this at Home Depot, and I'll be using the General Finish blue color, and it's a water-based finish, so it dries fairly quickly. Within 20-30 minutes it dries, and then you can apply your finish coat. So here I'm just finishing up the masking off, so there's no blue color accidentally go on top of the already finished stripes. I pull these over and I fold it under so it stays that way. I usually turn a fan on to have this dried once I apply the stain. And you can see me applying the blue stain just with a rag, and quickly just wipe it off and then let it dry. And once it's dry, I use a large rubber stick to erase the blue color from the stars so it becomes more white. Does it do a perfect job? Not really, but you can make it pretty white, as you could see it here on the video. So once it's done and dry, I take it back to the spray booth, and then I basically scrape off the edges. You could see there it was a very tiny bleed over from the tape, which can be very easily remedied. And then I scuff up the whole top basically, and then I'm going to take my spray gun after I cleaned it up, blow off all the dust, and then I take my spray gun, I spray an ML Campbell post-catalyzed conversion varnish, and I sprayed it on. And here is the final product. I also laser engraved it. This was for a veteran from the Army. And you could see the end product here. It came out real nice with sharp lines and colors.